Welcome you to Jhajjar AIMS, the branch of AIMS Delhi. It is meant for cancer like that. Right now I'm just in the area where it is known as canteen, or you can say Jalpan Grah. You see the number of person actually came there over here. They are either patient, if not patient, the attendant of the very patient and relative of the very patient is here. But system here is made so nice that there is no chaos, nothing at all. Person busy doing something. One bed is actually there over which a patient is lying like that. So, and this is the area where things are available. And here you see real, and they are inside. And if you come in this place, you simply get the snacks like that and biscuit. Tea is there, and some samosa and other thing is there. This can be purchased just giving proper price like that. So it is Vishal just getting something, it not sure, from this particular canteen. After he gets the thing, especially the thing that is got, price will be asked and just told you to like that. Things appear to be neat and clean like that. Who actually asks here, what's your name? Which religion do you belong to? What is your language? Nobody. All of them are patient. Came with a sentiment to make the disease to be really supposed to be finished. Here this is toilet, male toilet, female there, and this is for handicapped like that. Here a few patients lies there. Sitting space, neat and clean. Some display of cancer, mouth cancer. This much, thank you very much. Let India be healthy, let India be neat and clean.